I sound so fucking dumb. Okay. So before we get into the video, I'm gonna show you guys what I got so you can have like a little bit of a visual of what everything looks like before I put this masterpiece together. Sorry, masterpieces, because we're doing a couple different things. So even though I don't currently know what I'm doing, I have an idea. Today I'm gonna be attempting to do a DIY necklace or a couple different pieces of jewelry, and then also shoes. I'm so excited about that because custom shoes are so cool to me, and we're using rhinestones today, okay? I'm not much of like a girly girl, but I mean, who doesn't like sparkly things? And I mean, come on. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So the first project I'm gonna do, which I think is gonna take me the longest to do, is these shoes. So I got black shoes, these black little heels. This is the front of it. I obviously have two. You need two usually. That's usually how that works. Some people don't need two, I guess, but today I need two shoes. I think the shoes I got were on sale. I think it was like 30% off of $45, and then another half off. So I literally got these shoes for like 15, 20 bucks. I think even cheaper than that, because I think I spent 40 and I got these hoop earrings, these glasses, and these shoes. I'm gonna show you my rhinestones and everything I got. I'm so excited. So excited. I have this package of crystals, Swarovski crystals. These are little ones. There's not many in here, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with these. Thumbnail. Where's all my, I never do thumbnails like that. I'm new here, sorry. I haven't done that yet. Is that how they do it? I think I did it right. I'll probably do a different one with the finished product. I don't know why I did that. Moving along, got these black crystals. Showed you those. Then for my jewelry, I might do like a layered necklace, or maybe I'll make a bracelet. We don't know yet. But these are all, I love gold. I love gold things. I'm not a big fan on silver. These will be exciting. They're all different too. So like the chains look different. So there's that one. This one's a little bit, well, they're not really smaller, but like a different looping. I like this one the best. So I got these. Ooh. And I got these. I think I could use these for the shoes also if I wanted. Maybe. But I got just a little toolkit. So many more of these little ring things that I need. This was the smallest package I could find. There's 432 pieces in here. Who needs that many? I mean, I get there's people that make jewelry, but that's a lot. That's a lot of stuff. And then E6000 glue. Just cause. Well, let's get to it, guys. Let's go. I'm trying to open everything so I can start these projects, and I just want to show you guys how long this chain is. So it just keeps going and going and going and going. Like, that's so excessive. Like, it's so long. Anywho, so I'm using this as like my surface because I feel like my comforter is too textured for all the shenanigans. So basically for each necklace, I took like a base necklace and I took off the little loops. I picked out whatever chains I wanted to after that, and then I took all the ends of each of those, opened them, added them to the loop, and closed all the loops. So this took me a little bit to figure out at first because I wasn't really sure how many layers I wanted on the necklace. For the first necklace especially, I did a lot more playing around because I wanted to get like a decent idea of what it was that I wanted to do. So with this one, I went from doing a 2-layered necklace to then I had added a 3rd layer to this one. Just try and make sure that every single time you clamp one of those little circle rings, that you just make sure it's really tight, because actually I made a DIY belt also just on my own free time, and I wore it out to the bar and I broke it because it wasn't tight enough. And hey, look at, there's the 3 layers, very cute. Actually, I think we're on 4 layers now. Yeah, so at this point, I was ready to put all the jewels and everything onto the necklace. So every time I added one, I tried to make sure that I knew that it was centered by holding it up to myself and making sure that if it was to lay on my chest, it would look all straight and in line and pretty. I loved all the stuff that I found at Michael's because a lot of it was pretty inexpensive. And like those little crystals are so cute, and they also came in white and a couple other colors, but obviously I just got that one and then the white package. I'm also very sorry that this isn't that close, like the camera view isn't really getting a lot of stuff in detail, but I hope that you still kind of take away how I'm doing this. It's honestly pretty easy. It does take a little bit of time and patience for sure, but like I said, I'm a procrastinator, so it took me quite some time. Maybe if you try it, it'll take you 20-30 minutes. And then as you see, my last little trick is that I put the rhinestones on the back of the heel. And those are my projects. My project took me quite some time because I don't know how to stay focused for shit. So if you're not a procrastinator like I am, it'll take you maybe 2 to 3 hours to do all these projects, and you don't have to do all of them obviously, but yeah, I started this at 6:30 and it is now 11:12. So that, if that says anything about my attention span, I don't know what else does. I don't know what else would say that. So I wanted to show you guys that I wore this all day today after I made this. This is the second necklace I made, and it is in one piece, and I think this looks so freaking cute. So this is the first one I did, and I think that I like this a lot better than the one I just wore all day, but this is the first time I tried it on. So this is more of like a choker style layered necklace. This one has like that green pendant, greenish gold, like, and then it has another one of those little things. So cute. I mean, pat on the back. If you guys try these at home, I would love to see what you come up with, because this was so much fun to do, and I'm gonna continue to do it. I'm also thinking maybe I'm gonna try to make some more of these, maybe go to Michael's and before I go back to work, which I don't know when the heck I'm going back to work, so I have all the time in the world, to be honest. But I might get some supplies, make more of these. I do have my Depop up and running with like a bunch of stuff that I used to wear, so clothes I already used, and it's not really like personalized things. It's not supposed to be like a store, but maybe I could turn it into that. Let me know what you think in the comments below, because if these two are cute and you guys like them, I could keep making them and sell them on there or just wherever. But like I said, this is a DIY, so if you want to try it yourself first, go for it. I feel like these did not cost me that much to make. I'm gonna get all the details of everything for that and make sure that it's in the description for you. But let's check out these little shoes. Let's go. Yeah, so before I show you these shoes, I just want to express how great it feels to have these little bad boys on again. Look at those. Super cute. Got little like flames. My girl always hooks me up with cute little designs. But one thing I didn't do, I didn't get my toes done. So before I show you these shoes on my feet, just be warned. Just have that in mind, that my toes are about to be crusty as fudge. So just bear with me. Well, I think that's it. I think that is it. Well, until next time, and until we do this next time, this little DIY stuff we've got going on here. This is DIY number 2 of, that's not really a series, I'm just kind of doing these, but part 2, I guess. So second time I've done a DIY project, and it went decent. It was good. I used to do this when I was little, like I would make jewelry and stuff with my stepmom. She makes a spoon and fork, like rings and necklaces and stuff, so she taught me how to do a lot of this stuff. But a lot of it's not that hard. It's not that expensive either, so if you're bored, try this out. If you do try it out, make sure that you pop on over to my Instagram, send me a picture, post it on your story, whatever, tag me in it. I want to see them. Also, feel free to comment down below if you have any ideas of maybe some crafts I can try. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Smell ya.